Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here today. I hope you're having a great day. So today I want to show you this great stitch and this great project. This can be a one-day project. You can do a few of these in a day. On the weekend, you could do quite a few of them. And it's easy. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make. And this is the beanie messy bun or ponytail hat. And that's exactly what it is, because you have the little hole at the top for your ponytail or your messy bun. It's a really nice hat. It's very warm and very easy to make. So I'm going to show you just how easy this is to make. And I am using Lion Brand yarn. And I am using Red Heart yarn for both of these. This is a really beautiful stitch, and you can see it in both of these different yarns. This yarn is called Cafe Latte, so it is a brownish color, and this is Aran Fleck, so it's an off-white. And it's got the flecks of the different colors of like black, beige. It's really, really pretty. So again, these are both Red Heart yarns. So now I want to mention I am using an eye hook for this. And I'm going to show you how to make this part first. So why don't we get started, and let me get my yarn. And we're going to make a slip knot. Make the slip knot a little long so that, make the slip knot tail a little long so that you can weave it in easily afterwards. And that's with all projects, just long enough so you can weave it in. So now we're going to do the brim. We're going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want to mention, if you want to make this a thicker brim, longer, you can. If you want to make this a brim that folds over, you can. You'll just have to do it. Say you do double of this if you want a brim that